Hi, welcome back to ADSR Pro with me, Mike Smith. We're continuing looking at Cubase Elements, and we're just going to look at Groove Agent and some of the cool things that you can do with Groove Agent that comes free with Cubase Elements. So what I've got here is a basic audio file, so let's just play that for you. Just a basic loop, and what we're going to do is we're going to manipulate this with Groove Agent. So let's add a Groove Agent drum, Groove Agent SE, and this comes through with Elements. So there's our Groove Agent, and what we can do, we can drag this audio onto a pad, and we'll drag it onto C1. So if I trigger C1 now on my MIDI keyboard or by pressing it with the mouse, it will play the loop back. What we're going to do is we're going to go into the slice menu, and we're just going to create slices. And what that's done there, you can see straight away, is it's sliced all the audio up and it's put it onto individual hits. And if we go to the pattern menu, what we can do now is we can actually just drag this beat across. So what we've got here is a representation of each one of the samples mapped across via MIDI. Let's just mute the original audio. Now the beauty of this is it allows us to be able to manipulate the audio. So what we can do is we can just randomly, I'll just select a few things. And let's just play that back. So you can see there we've created a complete new loop, and what we can do now is we can actually just drag that back onto a pad. So again, let's mess it up a little more. And I'm just trying to be a bit random. Okay, so there's another version, and what we can also do is, let's just delete those, zoom in, all we're doing there is creating a kick pattern. We'll drag that onto there. And let's do a snare, and let's and just create a little basic hi-hat pattern. So what we can do now, if we use our MIDI keyboard, you can see it's triggering the loops. Okay, so that snare one, I did one on every one. We actually just want it on every second. So let's just get rid of those. Let's drag that back across. So there's our kick. I will get it right. There you go. So you can see there, you can create some completely new loops, original loops, and you know, some really complex patterns. And what you can do is you can pretty much get rid of your audio, get rid of your MIDI there, and using the MIDI keyboard you can record it in, or you could draw it in. So what we can do is, let's just create a MIDI part, double click. So let's set quantize to 1. Select my draw tool. And then let's just play that back. So you get the idea. You can create some really complex patterns, intricate fills, and this is all from just one single audio loop. Obviously you'd spend a little bit more time creating different patterns and making sure that they're interesting patterns and so on. So just a really quick overview of one of the cool features of Groove Agent SE that comes with Cubase Elements. If you like what I do, please do subscribe to my channel, and until next time, bye bye.
We'll be right back.